So right now Bitcoin is still dumping towards the downside. We have been making some very good profits because of this dump right here, but we want to be having a look into towards where exactly this Bitcoin dump will stop, and once again we can be flipping bullish. So guys, you do not want to be missing out on this update video right here. And without further ado, can we once again smash the likes up above the 30 likes, and let's jump right into our analysis. So right here on the 2 hourly time frame, you can clearly be seeing that we are still in this downtrend actually. So right now we still are looking quite bearish, and still you want to be having a look in towards shorting positions also, because if we do have a look into our momentum indicators, well, it does look like some more downside is to come, and we will be talking about this exactly a little bit later in this video. But right now we want to be having a look in towards the most important support levels right here, and also another very interesting signal right here, our funding rates. So currently we can be seeing that we are getting supported by our red zone right here, and I have been saying for the past couple of days that yes, this red zone will be the most important support level to have a look in towards also, because at that moment, well, we will be filling our CME gap right here, and also we will be finding support from of this support trend line right here that we have been talking about many times on this channel. So definitely this red support box will be very important. But if we do have a look into our indicators and into our funding rate, well, it does look like we do have some more downside to come. Alright, so in that case we might even still look in towards this orange box, and maybe guys, maybe if we have a look in towards the larger scale right here, we might be retracing all the way back towards the 25k target, which we have also been talking about for a very long time already on this channel. So guys, then having a look into our funding rates, you can clearly be seeing that yes, on all these exchanges on the Bitcoin pair, well, the funding rates are still positive. So this means that there are more longs still currently in the market than there are shorts. So this means of course that the majority is wrong, so more likely we will still be liquidating all of the longs that are currently still in the market. So that's very important to keep in mind. Also, if we have a look into towards this chart right here, we can be having a look into towards this rejection right here. We got an 11.5% rejection right here, and from of this rejection we got a 23% rejection, and right here a 7.5% correction. Now the average rejection from of this level is 14%, and this would set us back all the way towards the 26.7k level, which is also confluencing with this orange box right here that I do think will be very important. So that will be a very important level to keep your eyes out on, guys. And if we do have a look into our technical charts and technical indicators right here, you can be seeing that yes, indeed this rising wedge of course has been breaking down, and we do have some further downside left right here of this target. It would be all the way down towards the 24k level, which I've been saying I do not expect that this level will get reached, but still in the end of the day, well, we do want to be having a look into towards this scenario. So yeah, then also having a look into our CME gap, of course I have already mentioned in this video that it has already been filled, so that's a very good signal. We have of course been saying on this channel that it will be very likely that we will be filling this CME gap. And then also having a look into our momentum indicators right here on the 12 hourly RSI, you can clearly be seeing that we have been creating this bearish divergence, and right now of course we are still cooling off. And while I would like to see this 12 hourly RSI to once again cool off all the way towards the oversold levels, and then once again we can be having a look into towards long positions. Then having a look into our 3-day time frame, yeah, you can clearly be seeing that well, the 3-day MACD has not cooled down very significantly just yet, and we still have a lot more room to go towards the downside. I want to be seeing some red for the MACD indicator to be created, and then I'm going to be starting to look in towards long positions. Also for the money flow index indicator, you can also be seeing that we are hardly seeing any rejection coming in right now. So yeah, indeed we can still even see some further continuation towards the downside. Also having a look into our RSI indicator, we still have a lot more room to go towards the downside. So this is the reason why I do still think that the 25k target will of course be very possible. And then also on our daily time frame, you can be seeing the same exact thing. You can be seeing right here in the past, we have been trending in the red zone for quite some more time, and we do still have a lot more time and a lot more room to go towards the downside. Having a look into our daily MACD indicator and also our money flow index indicator. Now of course, yeah, I am looking in towards the 25k target for the longer term right here, as you guys know, but also do keep in mind for the longer longer term, I am still very bullish, because if we have a look into towards the super trend indicator and the EMA ribbons, well, we can clearly still see that on the 4-day time frame we are still in a bull trend. So we want to be longing the dip right here. That will be very important. And in the longer term, I am still looking in towards this parabolic move getting created. If we are going to be seeing some reversal signals right here coming into the charts, well, then definitely I'm able to be once again longing the market, because then I'm expecting a huge move once again to happen towards the upside actually. So that's very important to note. And what I'm going to be having a look into towards is I want to be seeing the funding rates being negative, and I will be posting this, guys, exactly on my Twitter profile. And what I also want to be seeing is on the 4-hourly time frame, I want to be seeing a bullish divergence being created. And right then, whenever that will be happening, and at the same time we are going to be trading at support right here, then I'm going to be switching bullish and once again opening my long positions. So guys, that is currently my game plan. I do still think there is some more downside to come in the market, but in the end of the day right now we want to be getting vigilant. We want to be having a look into our long positions, and we want to be having our eyes on the charts for this parabolic move that is about to come. So guys, if you want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date. And guys, with that being said, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, bye bye.